welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Oh God, look, today is just a really exciting day and I am just going to cut straight to some footage of me taken a few days back now when I received this bag. It's been a year since I've purchased a Chanel bag and neither this one or the previous one that I purchased were from the boutique. Both of them were from Rod at the Luxe Theory. I will link his details in the description box below. Here's my unboxing and then we'll come back and I'll give you some story time. Thank you, Rod. Oh, this must be a fresh camellia. I savor these moments because they don't happen very often. Oh my God, Dale, you did it again. Massive congratulations on acquiring this ever so coveted ... Thank you so much for your continued trust and support. I can't wait to see you carrying this gem. We did it. Hooray! Rod from the Luxe Theory. Oh, Rod. The way that he packages everything is so amazing. This is how you buy pre-loved, with trust in authenticity and condition and the packaging. Now he did say to me, look at this, beautiful. He did say that it wasn't wrapped in tissue because he wanted to make sure it was absolutely taken care of and it wasn't going to move around. And good luck getting into it. And now I know what he means. So this one came with the full care pack. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe I've got it. I can't believe it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. I'm just pulling all the stuffing out so you can see it in all its glory. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Okay. This is my 19S by the sea. Oh, wow. I can't believe I have this bag. If there was ever a Chanel flap for me, I mean, I probably, wow, look at this sand. Look at it. It moves. It's amazing. I'm going to put some things in it. Oh my God. Okay, we're back. We are back. So this is the 19S by the sea, the sandbag. The sandbag. Trying to fit us both in the screen here. I have talked to Rod at the Luxe Theory about this on and off many times. I think I also mentioned it in a recent Q&A when somebody was asking about wish lists. Now, for me, I try and make realistic wish lists. I know that's not the definition of a wish, but for me, I think I don't want to ever put my effort into finding something that is unrealistic, that is overpriced, that is just, you know, I'm putting myself into a corner. And so I thought that this would be overpriced and unrealistic and I'd be putting myself into a corner. You might still think that. I definitely don't. So I was able to pick this one up for a really good price, I think, given the market. I have so many of you to thank for sending me listings of this bag that you have seen in consignment stores and from resellers all over the world. So many people sent me listings and for that I am so grateful. Some of those listings were up around 11,000 Australian dollars. I did not pay that. I paid significantly less than that. And for that, I am happy. I still thought it was, you know, on the edge of discomfort, but I did not pay that much for it. So thank you to everybody, my global sourcing team, for sending me those listings. Similarly, when Rod posted that he had sourced and sold this bag, everybody sent me screenshots and said, is this you? Was this for you? Is this your bag? I can't wait for the unboxings. And to all of you, I am so grateful that you think of me, that you wanted to share in that joy with me. I just think that's one of the best things about this community. So, as you know, I love me a playful bag, and I love me a non-classic Chanel bag. So I decided to choose the one with the pearlescent handle. There is another version which a friend of mine has just purchased, which doesn't have this handle, but for me, this top handle is everything. It also has a shoulder strap. You can crossbody it, but it is pretty high, but it actually looks really sweet on the shoulder and also on the crook of your arm. Now, when you pop the little pearl strap over the top, it has these little rope details that both say CC for Chanel on the end of them, and I love that it's kind of a nod to like a sailor's knot kind of thing. At the back of the bag, there is a slip pocket, and that is super cool. I love that, and I almost missed it because it's, you know, plastic. My plastic Chanel bag. We've got this champagne gold hardware. And this bag is in beautiful condition. It came full set, box, dust bag, receipt, authenticity card. Inside, we can see there is the Chanel France tag on the base and then the serial number down on the bottom there as well. The most fabulous thing about this bag is it has the beautiful sand in it, which has apparently been sifted several times. The scary thing about the sand in this bag, however, is when it goes through customs and you're worrying that customs might think this sand is something else and cut it open and have a little test of it. And that was something that we were hoping and praying did not happen when this bag entered the country. I'd suggest that this would be equivalent to a medium size, but the capacity would be so much greater because it doesn't have the double flap. And the beauty of putting your things in this bag is they look like they've just been poked into the sand. I've got my Chanel card holder in the graffiti. I've got my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. I've got my Tom Ford favourite Indian Rose lipstick. I've got my Dior lip glow in the 001. I've got my Apple AirPods, and I've got my Celine Sunnies. I've just noticed everything kind of fits together. And my iPhone 13 Pro. I'm actually going to leave it inside the body of the bag because I just think it's going to look better with all the things inside. So here we go. You can see all of my pieces look like they're just sitting in the sand. There we go. It's actually quite a heavy bag because the sand makes it quite heavy, but it's so worth it. Look at all of my things just sitting in there in the sand. I adore it. I think it's so, so cute. Yeah, I'm really, really keen on it. I'll just show you how the phone goes in the back pocket. So there we go. The phone is floating there in the back pocket, which is super cool as well. I just can't believe that I have it. I absolutely love it. I love novelty. I love fun. I love imagination and creativity. And yeah, this bag is going to be one that I've got to take care of because obviously it can get scratched and the kind of perspex that it's made out of could yellow. It is a little bit foggy at the moment, and I think that that's just to be expected. That's just going to happen, but I don't care. Like, it's in pristine condition. It's absolutely stunning. And when you finally, you know, decide that you want something, and for me, I love buying pre-loved full set. I love buying it in a beautiful condition. I don't buy vintage because I just don't want to spend that kind of money on something that looks like it's already worn out. To have this experience with Rod is just amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for more of my travels and experiences with this beauty. I cannot wait to use it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me over there because I'll be styling her up and posting those pictures on Instagram as well. But it's at Dales_addiction. Sorry, getting carried away. But yeah, I'd love to know, what do you think of my new baby? I think she's super cool. Super, super cool. And I already know Meredith doesn't like her, and that's okay. If you don't know Meredith, she's my very good friend, and she has a YouTube channel as well, Living Lux with Meredith. I'll link her in the description box below. But I'm here for the fun times, baby, not the long times. So yeah, I just cannot wait to start using this. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already and you love seeing different and fun unboxings, because I certainly love bringing them. Yeah, put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes some extras. I would love to see you back again for more. Until then, ciao.